Today, I'll show you a new money-making method where you'll earn $7 every 60 seconds by just watching videos. So first off, I would like you to go to this website. This website is completely free, secure, and legitimate. As you can see, you can earn money by simply completing surveys, watching videos and TV shows, and doing offers. However, for the purpose of this video, we will concentrate on watching videos because it's something you already do every day, and it pays you the most amount of money for the least amount of effort. So go ahead and click on the watching TV option. Now, allow me to explain to you how this website works. Step 1. Create a free account on this site. Step 2. Select a channel that interests you. After that, start watching TV shows and videos. After watching those videos, points will be credited to your account. You may also keep an eye out for more earnings by switching between different channels. And finally, exchange your points for cash or gift cards. It's just that easy. So, make sure you watch this video all the way through to properly understand how this website works. As previously mentioned, the first step is to create a free account on this website. To do so, go to the homepage and enter your email address and create a password, and just click Sign Up Now. You might also use your Facebook or Google account to sign up for an easier experience. Now, once you log into your account, you can check how much money you can make on this website. You can see that people have made anything from $200 to $500, and you could be the next. These individuals are all earning money by watching videos, completing surveys, or doing offers. The best part is there are a large number of videos available here, and all of those videos reset every day, which means that there is an endless opportunity for you to earn money here by just watching videos. To get started, click Watch on the left-hand side. After that, you'll see these boxes with the words Hideout TV and Lootably on them. And if you hover your cursor over them, you'll see their offer details. Next, select Lootably by clicking this Start button. You'll then be taken to this page where you can select the video category. You have the option of selecting from the categories of food, DIY, or random videos. On the right-hand side, you can see how many points you can earn on the respective categories. If I select food, for example, I will be taken to this website. You'll need to sign up for a free account to proceed, as you can see right here. To do so, enter your email address, create a password, and just click Sign Up. After creating a Lootably account, you'll be brought to this page where you can watch all of the videos in the food category. This website allows you to watch as many videos as you want. Now, if I click this one right here, for example, I'll be taken to another page where I'll have to watch the video for at least 60 seconds in order to earn money. To give you a bonus tip on how to maximize your income, you can watch as many videos as you like on different tabs at the same time. That way you'll be able to watch a lot of videos while doing other things. Thus, you'll be able to earn the most amount of money in the least amount of time and effort. You can watch more videos by clicking all of these videos on the right-hand side. Another bonus tip I have is to lower the video quality by clicking the video settings. To save data, I'd like you to set it to the lowest video quality possible. As a result, you'll be able to watch as many 60-second videos as possible while earning as much money as possible as well. These bonus tips are quite effective, and you can use them right away to double, triple, or even quadruple your earnings in a single day on this website. By the way, this website is called zoombucks.com. This website accepts people from all over the world. Having that said, I want you to comment down below and let me know from which country you are watching this video from. In that way, I can create specific contents for your region in my future videos. Now that you know how to make money on zoombucks.com by just watching videos, I'd like to show you another way to make money with this site, and that is by filling out surveys. On the left-hand side of your Zoombucks dashboard, you should see surveys which you should click. By doing so, you will be presented with a list of companies that offers you simple surveys to complete. Each survey will pay you 85 cents, 60 cents, $10, $3, and $5 or much more as shown here. Simply click on the company that offers you the most amount of money. After then, follow the same steps as before. Simply create a free account with the company of your choice and begin taking as many surveys as you like. If anything, I'll say that the only downside to using this website is the fact that the money you'll earn with these won't be decent enough, and that means you still need more side income. To solve that, why not watch these videos and comment down below what works for you?